In this tutorial, we will learn about how to insert a new node at the end of the linked list. First step is first we need to create a node with the given data. Next, traverse the list at the end of the linked list. Next, create a new node with the given data. Next, set the last node as next pointer to the new node. The next point new reference becomes null. This is all about how to insert a node at the end of the linked list. Going to implement using a Python programming language. This is the code of define insert at or add end taking self comma data as a parameter. Next, new node is equal to node of data. New node is equals to node of data. It holds the value in the new node. Check check if the head is none or not. If self dot head is none, print check if the list is empty or not. If empty, make the new node the end. Self dot head is equals to new node. Then otherwise n as the variables n is equal to self dot head. Instead of self dot head, I need to take one variable, that is n is equals to self dot head. Next, checking the condition while n dot reference is not none. The while loop is continue until we find the last node. That's why we need to use while loop. While n dot reference is not none, it prints the n is equals to n dot reference. It moves the pointer to the next node. N is equal to n dot reference. It moves the pointer to the next node. Next, n dot reference is equals to new node. The last node reference is equals to new node. Links the new node. This is the how to add the node at the end of the linked list. This is the singly linked list. I want to create a new node. First, I need to traverse the node at the end of the linked list. Next, I need to create a node. There are two fields in the new node. One is data field, another one is link field. I need to fill as 4 as in the data field. Next, using a while loop to traverse the linked list at the end of the linked list. N is equals to n dot referent. It is used to move the end of the linked list. Next, n dot reference is links to the new node. This become null. So, this address become 10 or 100 like that. In this place, I put 100. How to insert a node at the middle of or add after the value or in middle of the linked list. In this, first we need to traverse the list to find the node containing. I need to insert in between 20 and 10. So this is I called as X. This is Y. I need to create one node. So this is the node. It contains a two field. One is data field. Other one is link field. This is 5. What I need to do is first, while n is not none, while loop runs until we find the node containing the value 20. This is the using the if loop. We need to check 20 is found. Add after, right? So I need to take this. We found this. The new node is links to the y reference, and the new node data is reference to the points to the x reference. The new node reference is points to the y reference, and new node data is points to the x reference. In this place, it stores a 102. This address become 300. So in this place, I need to put 300. This is all about how to insert a node at the middle of the linked list. We're going to implement using a Python programming language. Define, add after, taking self, comma, data and x as the parameter. Next, I need to define n is equals to self dot head. Next, while n is not null, it is used to traverse the linked list. N is not null. Next, we need to check if x is equals to n dot data. It means if x is found, the loop is exit using a break. N is equals to n dot reference. Next, we need to check if n is none. If n is none, print a node is not present in linked list. Print node not present in the linked list. Node not present in the linked list. Otherwise, new node is equal to node of data. New node is equals to node of data. New node is equal to node of data. New node dot reference is equals to n dot reference. Next, n dot reference is equals to new node. New node. If n is not null, it means we have only node containing the value. ll1 dot add after, and I need to run this code. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment in this video.